Hope your preparation is ongoing. History of modern education in India, both pre-independence and post-independence. That we are starting with a summary chart. Starting with 1813 Charter Act, ending with National Policy Education occurred in the year 2019 under the chairmanship of Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan. In the year 1830, the first Charter Act introduced for the promotion of English education by the British government. Then 1854 Charles Wood Dispatch Report. It is considered as a Magna Carta of English education. Carefully see friends, this one is a PYQ. Previous year question asked in the previous year. That is Charles Wood Dispatch Report is considered as a Magna Carta of English education. Occurred in the year 1854. Three central universities of Bombay, Calcutta, Madras were established in 1857. 27 colleges were affiliated in these three universities. Then Radhakrishnan Commission 1947-48, Secondary Education Commission 1952, Kothari Commission 1964, National Policy on Education 1986, Vision of India on Higher Education 1998, Ramamurthy Review Committee 1990 for the purpose of review the 1986 National Policy on Education. Finally, National Policy on Education 2019 under the chairmanship of Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan. This one is a final crux of the story. That means the summary chart here I presented in front of you. That means the summary chart of both pre-independence and post-independence India. That's the main educational events and their years. Then we move on the final background. That is three central universities of Bombay, Calcutta and Madras established in 1857. 27 colleges were affiliated, that we know about it. Then first college was set up in India at Saramapur in the year 1880. Note that point. First colleges was set up in India at Saramapur in the year 1880. In 1947, 19 universities were there in India. Another important thing is University Grants Commission, the apex body in the higher education. That is University Grants Commission was set up and established in 1956. Yes, the Radhakrishnan Commission. We are starting with the Radhakrishnan Commission. Some important events that we are going to discuss. Radhakrishnan Commission 1947-48, first major commission to assess the character of education in India after independence. Carefully see friends, after independence, that means after 1947. This is the first commission that is recommended for the creation of UGC. Also known as a University Education Commission. It's also known as a University Education Commission. Radhakrishnan Commission is also known as the University Education Commission. Then second one, Secondary Education Commission under the chairmanship of Dr. Laxman Sami Mudaliar. It is also known as the Laxman Sami Commission, formed September 23, 1952. Also known as the Mudaliar Commission. That is the main focusing area, secondary education, for the benefits of secondary education. That is why it is called Secondary Education Commission 1952 under the chairmanship of Dr. Laxman Sami Mudaliar. Kothari Commission, Chairman Dr. K.S. Kothari. Kothari Commission consists 17 members, formed 1964. Kothari Commission submitted its report 1966. Yes, other commission and policies that you should remember: National Policy on Education 1986, Vision of India on Higher Education 1998, Ramamurthy Review Committee. Carefully see friends, Ramamurthy Review Committee 1990, formed for the review purpose of 1986 National Policy on Education. We know about National Policy on Education 1986, National Policy on Education 1986 occurred. In this, Ramamurthy Review Committee review this committee, that means National Policy on Education reviewed by Ramamurthy Review Committee in the year 1990. That is to be noted. Then higher education conceptual framework. There are three dimensions of higher education: dimensions of specialization, dimensions of formal institutionalized system, dimensions of research case. This one is very much important. That means three dimensions that is in the higher education. That means a specialization. We have to take some specialization, the degree classes, specialization making other PG classes like this. Specialization is a main important criteria in the higher education's three dimensions. First dimension specified in this slide. That means another thing is dimension of formal and institutionalized system. That means a formal educational system that is occurred in India. Nowadays also there is a formal education system. That means a formal SLC +2 and college system. Like this, a formal education system is in dimension of research. Research also be focused that we are going to. Yes. Accreditation Board, National Board of Accreditation, NBA, National Assessment Accreditation Council, NAC. Then another important thing is, you should remember, regulatory and statutory bodies in India for the purpose of higher education. AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, full forms is very much important. Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ICAR. Then Central Council of Homeopathy, CCH. Then Indian Nursing Council, INC. Then Council of Architecture, Distance Education Council, DEC. Medical Council of India, MCI. Then Central Council of Indian Medicine, CCIM. Rehabilitation Council of India. Then RCI. Then National Council for Rural Institute. Then National Council for Teaching Education, NCTE. Then Pharmacy Council of India, PCI. Then Bar Council of India, BCI. Then Dental Council of India, DCI. Then finally State Council of Higher Education. These full forms are so much of important. Yes. Okay friends, we studied carefully. That's a history of modern education in India in detail. Thank you for watching.